Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Rebuilding Society is a peer-to-peer lending platform operating in the United Kingdom. It connects individuals and businesses seeking loans with individuals looking to invest in these loans and earn interest. The platform offers a diverse range of loan opportunities, from personal loans to business financing for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Borrowers can access capital outside traditional lending institutions, while investors can diversify their portfolios and potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Rebuilding Society prides itself on its transparency and detailed information provided on each loan offering. Investors can review the borrower's business plan, financial projections, and credit history before making an investment decision. This level of transparency allows investors to assess the risk associated with each loan and choose investments that align with their risk tolerance. The platform also facilitates direct communication between borrowers and lenders, allowing for greater understanding of the investment opportunity. For borrowers, Rebuilding Society offers a streamlined application process and flexible repayment options. This can be particularly attractive to businesses that may not qualify for traditional bank loans. Rebuilding Society emphasizes responsible lending practices and conducts thorough due diligence on all borrowers. This helps to mitigate risk for investors and ensures that loans are made to creditworthy individuals and businesses. By connecting borrowers and investors directly, Rebuilding Society aims to foster economic growth and empower both individuals and businesses. The platform plays a role in supporting entrepreneurship and providing alternative financing options in the UK lending market. While the platform offers potential advantages for both borrowers and lenders, it's important to carefully consider the risks involved in peer-to-peer lending. Investing in loans through Rebuilding Society carries the risk of default, and investors should thoroughly research and diversify their investments across multiple loans to manage this risk effectively.